Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another huge news of the Pancakeswap. What's going on this time in the Pancakeswap, and what will be the next move of Pancake? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So now at this time, the currently latest price you can see here 18.29 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. On the other side, if we talk about the price change occurring in the Pancakeswap, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is positive. Only the last 1 week pricing is positive, except of these the last 1 hour, 1 day pricing is going negative, and I'm very worried about that what's going on in this time now. Pancakeswap. A lot of people also ask me questions that when will the price of Pancakeswap again start jumping. So finally, friends, we can't say about the future, but there is a chances to the price again start pump after a few hours, my friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. You can see here, my friends, in the previous whole month the price of Pancakeswap is completely falls down, but in the last hour the Pancakeswap gradually start moving upward, slowly start moving upward. But unfortunately now, as I show you that the last 1 hour, 1 day pricing is negative, so now they fast down for a little time. After some pieces after, you can see this time also fast down occur. After this fast, they will again take a jump. That is the temporary fast, so don't worry about that, my friends. And personally, I believe that they will take a jump after some passage of time, after 10 hours, after 5 hours. There is again chance to the price again pump, my friends. So what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.